Welcome to my kitchen. You're watching EpicEats with Janet. My name is Janet Burnett, and I'm an executive consultant with Epicure. Today on our show, we will be making butter chicken. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we'll need. We will be using 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 can of coconut milk, a half a cup of crushed tomatoes, 2 pounds of chicken that we will cube, a half a cup of Greek non-fat yogurt, 1 cup of rice, and 2 cups of water. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and get our onion chopped up so that we can begin to saute it on the stove. To chop this onion, I'm using our Pro Prep chef knife. This is a really sharp, wonderful knife to have in your kitchen. It has a suede non-slip handle and a very sharp ceramic blade, and it also has a bullnose tip which you can touch without hurting yourself, but the blade itself is very, very sharp. So we're just going to chop up our onion, and then we're going to saute the onion in about a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to do that in our wok, which I will show you in just a moment. So here's our wok. This is a beautiful wok. It has a tempered glass lid and rubber gaskets on the top and underneath so that you can easily lift off the cover without burning yourself. We have a beautiful ceramic coated wok on the inside. On the bottom, you can see there's a place to put it right on your burner, and the handles are very sturdy. It's just a big, large wok, and it's a great thing to have in your kitchen. I'm going to throw our onions in along with our tablespoon of butter, and we're going to go ahead and get this on the stove and start sauteing. So our onions are all sauteed, so I'm going to grab our pan, our wok, and bring it over to our work surface, and I'm going to add a couple of ingredients. The next ingredients we're going to add is the 1 can of coconut milk and 1/2 cup of crushed tomatoes, and then this is going to go back on the stove, and we are going to bring that to a boil. I'll just incorporate that a little bit. And we'll bring that to the stove. All right, we're going to return this to the stove and bring it to a boil. It should take about 5 minutes. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is prep our chicken, and we're going to remove the roll-up rack for now so I can just use my cutting surface here. I've got 2 pounds of chicken, and I'm going to cut this chicken up into chunks. And to do that, I'm going to use our Pro Prep scissors. These are fantastic. They have a nice suede non-slip handle, super sharp, and they are great kitchen shears. And so I am going to just take the shears, cut up our chicken into bite-sized chunks. And this is so fun. I love doing this. It makes it so fast and easy when you use your kitchen shears. Please don't use regular scissors for this. You want to use a food quality scissor when you're doing anything kind of prepping any kind of food. Okay, our chicken is all ready, and as soon as our mixture on the stove is boiling, we will be adding the chicken and our seasoning. While we're waiting for that to happen, we're going to go ahead and get our rice going in the microwave. We're going to be making our rice in the microwave. I know it sounds crazy, but you've seen me do it a few times on my shows if you've been watching. I'm going to use our multi-purpose steamer, and we are going to take 1 cup of rice, remove the tray, 1 cup of rice right into the steamer, and 2 cups of water. And we're going to put the tray back on top. That tray helps keep bubbling up from happening. And we're going to be popping this into the microwave for 10 minutes, and we're going to have perfectly gorgeous, fluffy rice. Perfect every time. Our mixture has been boiling, so we're going to go ahead and open up our buttered chicken seasoning packet. And to the pan, we'll add the seasoning packet and our chicken. And this is so easy to do with our flexible cutting mat because you can pick it right up, squeeze it, slide everything right out of it, super easy. So here we go. And we'll give that a stir. And I will be returning this to a slow boil, covered, and it will cook for about 10 minutes. And then this dish will have one last ingredient and it will be done. So the microwave just went off, so we're going to grab our rice and see how it looks. Here we go. And our rice is fluffy. Check that out. It is perfect. Nice and fluffy. Just the way we want it. Okay. Next, our chicken has also been cooking and it is also done. So let's grab that, take a closer look. Still boiling. That looks beautiful. Perfect. We have one more ingredient to add to this dish, and it is our half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. So we're just going to put that in now and incorporate that, and this is going to add some nice thickness to the sauce. This is ready to get plated, and that's what we're going to do next. So there we have it. Using our wok and our multi-purpose steamer, we have made a wonderful meal, butter chicken, and it actually only took about 15 minutes between the rice and the chicken, so that was a really fast meal. So tune in next time for another episode of Epic Eats with Janet, where we make good food real fast. See you next time.